Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website design concept using ChatGPT, and I will show you the versatile prompt that you could use where you can just provide the name or the topic of the website or maybe what the website is about, and AI, which in this case ChatGPT will generate a nice looking landing page or web design page with just a simple prompt. So let me show you the prompt that you can use. Alright, so first let's go to chatgpt.com, and after that you can sign into your account. The prompt that you can use is this one. Don't worry, you don't have to manually write this prompt because I'm going to leave the prompt in the video description so you can copy and paste the prompt easily to ChatGPT. So let me copy this prompt, right click, copy, and then paste the prompt into ChatGPT. So here, as I mentioned earlier, you only need to provide the name or the topic of the website and also what the website is about. So in this case, I'll try to change the name to be, let's say, gardening website. It's called Garden Guide. And the website is about, let's say, I'm providing gardening tutorials, gardening equipments, and related tips and tricks. I guess that's the prompt, that's the description of the website. Again, just the name and also the description of the website, and then the rest of the details will be filled by AI. So that's the power of using this prompt. Anyway, let's continue. Enable create image and send the message to ChatGPT, and now you just need to wait until ChatGPT is generating the picture. From my experience, this will take a bit longer than generating a normal picture, maybe because of the complexity of the design, but other than that, that's everything that you need to modify on this prompt. So I'll show you the generation in a moment. Alright, so this is the initial design of the website. I think it looks great. Now, there's one thing here that you need to know. It's not going to be perfect, especially at the text. Usually the text is not going to be always readable. But remember, this is for a design concept. It's just to giving you some sort of inspiration to convert a design into, let's say, Figma, WordPress, Elementor, or something like that. And I think it's very useful that we have AI that can give you some design inspiration. And by the way, if you know prompting, you can actually optimize the prompt even further. If you have a specific design that you want to create, you can always modify the prompt and design something that is more unique, and therefore you can get a better inspiration that doesn't look monotone. But anyway, that's basically it. And by the way, if you notice that the picture looks a bit yellow, that's pretty much how ChatGPT always giving the subtle yellow tint. That's just the characteristic of ChatGPT. And actually I have made a tutorial video on how you can remove the yellow tint color on the image generation by ChatGPT. You can check it out on my channel. But anyway, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.